Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have another unboxing for you all. My essay called me and said that the cruise collection is already out here in Japan, so I went there to check it out. They have the mini rectangular in lambskin leather with silver hardware. The colors that they have is purple, pink, and navy blue. They also have the medium classic flap in the navy blue and the vanity case size medium. And the colors are black, purple, red, orange, and light blue. I can take pictures or vlog inside the store, so if you like to see the colors, you can check out the Purse forum. I will leave the link at the description box below. Okay, so let's get started. I'm so excited to show you all the color that I chose. So here's the receipt. And the box and the flower. Are you ready? And to reveal, here is it. Okay, let me check. Put this away. Okay, so this is the medium filigree vanity case in caviar leather with light gold hardware there. And this is from the 20C cruise collection, and the color is light blue. Look at the color. It's so pretty. Okay, this is how the bag looks like. There's a top handle. And here's the front. You can see the CC logo here. The side. And the back. The strap is not detachable, and here's how the chain looks like. It has this leather shoulder pad there to protect your shoulder. Also have this clochettes, two clochettes. Here's the lock there, and here's the key. It has two zippers that zip around the bag. So let's open the bag. There you can see that it has two big compartments. And one zipper pocket in the middle, and there's another one zipper pocket on the back. So this is made in Italy, and the interior is leather also. So, okay, let's check where is the authenticity card. Oh, there it is. Yeah, here it's 28 series. Yeah. The zipper is smooth. It's easy to open and close. There. So for the dimensions of the bag, height is 6 inches, length is 8.5 inches, and the width is 3 inches. The strap drop is 19 inches, so not too long. Okay. This size and this color is so hard to get in the boutiques. So I'm so happy that I was able to add it to my collection. There. So pretty. Look at the color. Perfect for spring and summer. So let's see how it looks on me. You can carry it as handheld like this. Shoulder bag. The length is not too long for me, just right. For reference, I am 5'4.5", almost 5'5". There. You can also wear it as a crossbody, which is my favorite way to wear it. There. So what can you say about the color? Do you like it? Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.